Well, hello, everybody, and welcome and good evening to our first Chesapeake, Middle River, and Harrisonburg qualifier awards for our 2021-22 season. I'm James, and joining me is Sean.
Hi,
There he
everyone.
is. And Ron. We'll hear from both of them in a little bit. Now, here we are and getting near the end of the season. COVID, of course, has made it challenging, but it's very exciting that we're able to break through and get to our events. We know we had some disruption with weather, but we're going to make that up in the next week or so. So stay tuned for that. In the meantime, we're going to be talking about all the great work that was done from Harrisonburg and from Middle River. Now, of course, this virtual awards celebration will have awards that are going to be intermixed between the two events. And so you'll be hearing from the winners from both of those. And of course, it could not have been possible today without the volunteers we had over the weekend and behind the scenes. So please join me in thanking all of those volunteers who've given their time, effort, dedication, and so much more to making the First Chesapeake program such a huge success. Now, before we get to the awards, let's hear from Ron Tarian, who is our First Chesapeake Director of Programs.
Good evening, everyone. We're going to kind of cover some of the things we cover every week, but I would like to, I think, a special thank you to all the volunteers and such for the crazy weekend we had with the weather and shifting things around. And, we even had to do judging the same time we were doing one of the competitions for Middle River. As most people here know, the Harrisonburg event, this is just the judging awards. It doesn't actually cover we haven't held the competition yet. So the competition will be this coming Saturday as well. So anyway, as always, we're still looking for volunteers, and especially after having moved the things because of weather, we could definitely use additional referees and judges and commentators online this weekend. We'll be broadcasting 3 events simultaneously. So it's going to be, and we actually have 4 events because we're also running a remote event at the same time. So we got an awful lot going on this last weekend. So if you can volunteer, sign up on there and come on in and contact me. Next slide. And this is just kind of reminders of the same as last week. We don't want teams swapping any team members out or any of that kind of thing. Once your team comes, you basically stay there. The thing I wanted to point out, though, is if you're going to, because we had a couple of these last week and maybe because of the weather, but if your team's not going to arrive at the competition to actually compete in person, please let me know ahead of time so we can schedule somebody else to take your slot. That's the one side. The other one is if you're not going to judge and go to your judging interview, please let me know that as well. I think this past week we had at one of the qualifiers, we had 5 teams that didn't show up. And it's awfully hard for, we're spending a lot of time getting the judges in there and we don't want to waste their time. So please, please, please just, email me and tell me you're not going to judge or you're not going to come to competition, or call me if it's the day of and you're not going to make it to competition. So anyway, that's pretty much all I have. It's going to be a busy weekend, and good luck, everybody, and good luck on the awards.
Thank you very much, Ron. And now we're going to hand it off to Sean, who's going to kick off the awards.
Yep. So let's start out with the Judge's Choice Award. The Judge's Choice Award is given at the discretion of the judges to the team that they believe that they have encountered whose unique efforts, performance, or dynamics merit recognition, yet the team does not fit into any of the existing award categories.
And we'll start off with Middle River. Here's what the judges have to say about the winner of this award. These students really wowed the judges with their commitment to equity and inclusion. Formed due to a lack of STEM opportunities available to non-male students, the team specifically strived to engage female and non-binary students the chance to explore robotics. We applaud these queens for their resilience and commitment to diversity. And the winner is Team 16922, the Queen Bees from Baltimore, Maryland.
And now for Harrisonburg. This team dealt gargantuan challenges after their school shut down with the FTC program because of COVID. The students worked hard, stuck together, and smashed their way into first sponsorships. These giants should be praised for their gumption. The winner is Team 12882 Hyper Giants from Harrisonburg, Virginia.
And now turning to the Design Award. The Design Award expands on this year's challenge, inspiring teams to incorporate industrial design into their robots. These elements can be shown in the simplicity of the design as it applies to the tasks, the look and feel of the robot, and how the design allows us to think of robots in new ways. The design aspect must serve a function, but it should also differentiate the robot in a unique fashion. We will kick off with Middle River. In third place, Team 2123 Cryptic from Ellicott City, Maryland. In second place, Team 9794 Wizards.exe from Rockville, Maryland. And here's what the judges have to say about the winner. This team exemplified the Design Award with their CAD and 3D printing skills. They extended the limits of their robot kit, creating TPU intake spinners and a curved ramp. Their zeal for engineering knows no bounds. The winner is Team 19069 Gale Blaze from Baltimore, Maryland.
And for Harrisonburg, in third place, we have Team 8395, the A-Team from Cumberland, Maryland. In second place, we have 2342 Bacon 2342 from Charlottesville, Virginia. And here's what the judges have to say about the winner of this award. Building this drivetrain system required a team full of stars. This team found inspiration from NASA's robots that tour around Mars. Their ingenuity, creativity prevented this team from fielding a dud. The winner of this award is Team 17037 Moco Studs from Potomac, Maryland. On to the Motivate Award. The team that receives this award celebrates the culture of FIRST and clearly shows what it means to be a team. The award celebrates a team that represents the essence of the FIRST Tech Challenge competition through team building, team spirit, and displayed enthusiasm. This team makes a collective effort to make FIRST known throughout their school and community and sparks others to embrace the culture of FIRST.
And for Middle River, in third place, Team 13147 Beavers from Germantown, Maryland. In second place, Team 2123 Cryptic from Ellicott City, Maryland. And here's what the judges have to say about the winner. This team understood the importance of social media for collaboration, training, and inspiring each team member, and other teams were extraordinary. Their success in creating online classrooms, hosting resources, and charitable work impressed the judges. We loved their efforts to promote gender diversity and build for the future by reaching out into the community and mentoring FLL teams. The winner is Team 12847 ERA from Aldie, Virginia.
And for Harrisonburg, in third place, we have Team 16829 Radioactive from Richmond, Virginia. In second place, 14575 Capital Bots from McLean, Virginia. And here's what the judges have to say about the winner of the Motivate Award for Harrisonburg. This team chalked up 100 hours of outreach, showing outstanding teamwork, as many of the team members led activities ranging from scouting events to working to support other FTC teams. With a well-organized and highly charged team, it was elementary for the team to break down and accomplish all of their goals. To top off their efforts, the team donned matching hats, clearly reflecting their high energy and their frequent sparks of ingenuity. The winner is Team 7393, the Electron Bolts from Silver Spring, Maryland.
And now on to the Control Award, sponsored by ARM Inc. The Control Award celebrates the team that demonstrates innovative thinking in the control system to solve game challenges such as autonomous operation, enhancing mechanical systems with intelligent control, or using sensors to achieve better results on the field. Starting off with Middle River, in third place, Team 17971 Helix Hackers from Gaithersburg, Maryland. In second place, Team 9794 Wizards.exe from Rockville, Maryland. And here's what the judges have to say about the winner. With innovative camera programming, this team had their robot seeing not clearly, but blurry. They were able to detect the distance to the walls and other obstacles relatively well. Their robot displayed excellent control, but I feel like I've seen this team before. The winner is Team 11695 Deja Va from Baltimore, Maryland.
And for Harrisonburg, in third place, we have Team 2818 G-Force from McHenry, Maryland. In second place, we have 14169 BC4H Party Time from Martinsburg, West Virginia. And here's what the judges have to say about the winner of this award. This team was on the lookout for pixels during their autonomous program. Moving straight, diagonally, or using spline, they can navigate the field with precision. The lords and the ladies of this team. The winner is Team 11112 Robo-Lords from Ashburn, Virginia. Oh, and on to the Innovate Award, sponsored by Raytheon Technologies. The Innovate Award, sponsored by Raytheon Technologies, celebrates the team that has the ingenuity and inventiveness to make their designs come to life. This award is given to the team that the judges feel has the most innovative and creative robot design solution to the first Tech Challenge game. Elements of this award include elegant design, robustness, and out-of-the-box thinking. This award may address the design of the whole robot or some sub-assembly component of the robot. The creative component needs to work consistently, but a robot does not have to work all of the time during matches to be considered for this award. The team's engineering portfolio showed the design components and the team's robot and clearly explains how the team arrived at their solution.
Starting off with the Middle River. In third place, Team 18103 Nth Degree from Clifton, Virginia. And in second place, Team 4234 Engineered Chaos from Aberdeen Proving Ground, Maryland. Here's what the judges have to say about the winner. This team's robot was innovative and well documented. Their design was effective and hooked our attention. With no distractions, they sprang to the top with their counterbalanced arm. The winner is Team 19890 Distractors.exe from Clarksburg, Maryland.
And for Harrisonburg, in third place, we have Team 7080 Bacon from Charlottesville, Virginia. In second place, 13599 Bruinbots from Burke, Virginia. And here's what the judges have to say about the winner of this award. This year, ripping through the freight is critical to a team's success. This team sought out superheroes to help them design an innovative solution to claw through the warehouse. When the intake is on, they roar like thunder. The winner is Team 6010 Thunderstone from Alexandria, Virginia.
And now on to the Connect Award. The Connect Award is presented to the team that the judges feel most connected with their local science, technology, engineering, and math community. A true FIRST team is more than the sum of its parts and recognizes that engaging their local STEM community plays an essential part in their success. The recipient of this award is recognized for helping the community understand FIRST, the FIRST Tech Challenge, and the team itself. In addition, this team aggressively seeks and recruits engineers and explores the opportunities available in the world of engineering, science, and technology. Starting off with Middle River, in third place, Team 9445 Loading from Accident, Maryland. In second place, Team 18103 Nth Degree from Clifton, Virginia. And here's what the judges have to say about the winner of this award. This team has connections around the world. From cybersecurity mentoring to one-hour training sessions, this team actively engages with the community to promote FIRST. Connection is apparently in their DNA. The winner is Team 17971 Helix Hackers from Gaithersburg, Maryland.
And for Harrisonburg, in third place, we have Team 17037 Milko Studs from Potomac, Maryland. In second place, 2818 G-Force from McHenry, Maryland. And here's what the judges have to say about the winner of this award. This team established impressive new connections with professionals across a wide range of specialties. They learned lessons not only from CNC professionals, but an IP lawyer. This stately crew has capitalized on this with the filing of a new design patent. The winner is Team 14575 Capital Bots from McLean, Virginia. On to the Think Award. The Think Award is given to the team that the judges feel best reflects the journey of the engineering design process. The engineering portfolio is a key reference for the judges to help them identify the most deserving team. The team's engineering portfolio focused on the design and build stages of the team's robot and exemplified their journey as a team and engineers.
Starting off with the Middle River, in third place, we have Team 19941 M&M Metal Masterminds.exe from Potomac, Maryland. In second place, Team 18477 Big Brain Bots from Ellicott City, Maryland. Here's what the judges have to say about the winner. This team's robot had a good set of controls that helped them tackle navigation and freight delivery. Every part of their robot was designed in CAD before fabrication, resulting in a compact and strong design. Their wizardry was well seen in how their robot performed on the field. The winner is team 9794 Wizards.exe from Rockville, Maryland.
And for Harrisonburg, in third place, we have team 4634, the Frogbots from Gainesville, Virginia. In second place, we have 2342 Bacon from Charlottesville, Virginia. And here's what the judges have to say about the winner of this award. This team planned for the future by thoroughly investigating their design. They didn't let any of the challenges make them blue. Instead, they knew to shrink their chassis in order to pull through. These nerds knew how to think up some sizzling ideas. The winner is team 7080 Bacon from Charlottesville, Virginia.
And now on to the highest ranking. This is only for Middle River, as that Harrisonburg event will take place this weekend. Starting off, 941 M&M Metal Masterminds.exe, 9794 Wizards.exe, 19890 Distractors.exe, and 9445 Loading. I have to say, that's awesome. That's like a coding joke, and it's so great to see them up here. So congratulations to the Middle River teams. Now on to the Inspire Award. The Inspire Award is presented to the team that the judges felt truly embodied the challenge of the First Tech Challenge program. The team that receives this award is a strong ambassador for FIRST programs and works to promote FIRST and make it loud in their community. The team that receives this award has performed well in all judging categories and was chosen by the judges as a model First Tech Challenge team, both on and off the playing field. This team shares their experiences, enthusiasm, and knowledge with other teams, sponsors, their community, and the judges. Working as a unit, this team will have shown success in performing the task of designing and building a robot. Starting out with Middle River. In third place, team 9445 Loading from Accident, Maryland. A lot of dots in there. Second place, team 19890 Distractors.exe from Clarksburg, Maryland. And here's what the judges have to say about the winner. This team wowed the judges by their well-thought-out robot design and build process and the accuracy of their crank. Their outreach activities are equally impressive, especially for a rookie team. Although this team tried to be enigmatic and mysterious, there's no hiding that this team is a role model for other FTC teams. The winner is team 2123 Cryptic from Ellicott City, Maryland.
And for Harrisonburg, in third place, we have team 7080 Bacon from Charlottesville, Virginia. In second place, we have team 7393 Electron Volts from Silver Spring, Maryland. And here's what the judges have to say about the winner of the Inspire Award for Harrisonburg. This team did not let COVID conditions slow them down. Their outreach with various FIRST programs and the community remained impressive. Their elegant design lit up the field and impressed the judges with its sleek and well thought out mechanics. Building on their previous experiences and iterating over this year's unique challenges, this team was once again a force to be reckoned with. The winner is team 2818 G-Force from McHenry, Maryland.
Well done. And now let's find out the answer to the ever-important question, which teams will be advancing to championship? Congratulations here from Middle River to team 2123 Cryptic Inspire Award. 19941 M&M Metal Masterminds ranked first. We've got Loading, Inspire 3. That's 9445. We've got 11695 Deja Vu Control Award. We've got 19069 Gale Blaze the Design Award, and we've got 18477 Big Brain Bots Think 2. Congratulations to these teams for advancing to the championship. I want to thank you all for being a fantastic audience today, for Ishan for helping out. Can't wait to see you again next week, perhaps. And really excited about the audience. Thank you so much for being here and for helping to support the next generation of leaders and innovators, and for bringing your gracious professionalism to the competition this past weekend. Remember, your participation with the First Tech Challenge program does not have to end here, because we still have a week to go and we need your help. So if you can volunteer, we'd absolutely appreciate you putting in the time. We need your help to make these events successful. And as Ron had said before, we've got a crowded event weekend coming up. So please, if you have the time, please do volunteer. Check our website. That's where those opportunities will be. And finally, a big thank you to everyone. We had a fantastic event weekend, and we look forward to seeing you next week. Lastly, we'd like to thank all of our sponsors for making this event possible. And let's take a short video from our sponsors as we close out the awards. Thanks to everybody, and have a great night.
These are not ordinary college students. They're extraordinary students. Capital Tech students. People who'd rather stay up all night coding instead of partying. People who build their own computers. Who construct clean rooms out of sheets and duct tape. Who fly drones with their brain waves. Who build experimental CubeSats to explore suborbital space. Who thwart cyber criminals at the speed of light. Who find big insights hiding in big data. Who have the tech savvy that our nation's critical infrastructure demands. Whose mantra in the face of any challenges, find a way or make one. You don't find Capital Tech students struggling to find gainful employment. You find them at NASA, the Department of Defense, and the National Security Agency. Our undergrad, grad, and doctoral students are a pipeline who fuel America's most tech-driven government agencies and private sector supply chains. It's here that they learn to work the levers of advanced technologies to not only further their lives and livelihoods, but to ensure the future of America's prosperity. Capital Technology University, the talent to shape tomorrow.
Leidos. 1 part inspiration, 1 part science, 1 part legacy, and 1 part opportunity. We live in a complex, uncertain world, a world that demands breakthroughs today, like safe and reliable transportation, a robust infrastructure, better health solutions, a safer cyberspace, and an efficient military. Leidos, ready to support your next breakthrough.
Somewhere
past the edge of convention,
beyond the boundaries of tomorrow,
lies a special kind of impossible.
A kind of impossible
where pioneers forge ahead.
Where no idea is too bold.
And no challenge too great.
Because making a 200-ton airplane disappear is impossible.
Until it's not.
Predicting cyber attacks before they happen is impossible.
Until it's not.
And solving the mysteries of the universe is impossible.
Until it's not. It's our job to break free from what is to what could be. Ready to leave the boundaries of what's known?
To define possible.
To define possible. To define possible.
To define possible.
To define possible.
To define possible.
Three, two, one.
One of the reasons why Qualcomm has invested in FIRST for so long is because we know FIRST works.
That worked. Perfect.
We see these students coming through the program, not just learning about engineering, but also those 21st century skills that are so important.
FIRST is probably like the biggest reason why I'm confident at all now. 4 years ago, I was the shyest, quietest child on like the face of the planet. And FIRST definitely changed that.
Part of this Rube Goldberg machine is sort of fostering the relationship between Qualcomm and FIRST.
Working at FIRST teaches you various skills that you can directly transfer to the workplace. It teaches you to work with people with different personalities. It teaches you to respect ideas that you don't necessarily agree with. Most of all, it teaches you to meet aggressive deadlines that you will necessarily face at the workplace.
Qualcomm invents breakthrough technologies for wireless. And so this machine and programs like our partnership with FIRST are really, our way of inspiring kids that STEM can be fun and working with the team can be fun.
Science, technology, engineering, mathematics are foundation of what industry is on right now. We are a technical leader in the world.
We know that there's a shortage of students with STEM skills, not just in the US, but globally. And that's why Qualcomm's so invested in making sure that these students have the skills necessary to compete in a global economy of the future.
I do like taking on a problem because once you finish it, you feel really accomplished.
I feel like technology combined with teamwork and creativity can solve basically any problem that we face today and will be very crucial to the success of our future.
Here at Canton, Virginia, we take pride in the products we manufacture and the services we provide.
We are located in Newport News, Virginia, and are Canton's only manufacturing, engineering, recycling, and technical support center in the Americas region.
CVI produces a variety of products using advanced manufacturing techniques,
while also serving as a factory service center providing expert customer service in the repair and refurbishment of Canton products.
Canton, Virginia's manufacturing services also extends to injection molding making, medical contract manufacturing services.
However, none of this would be possible without our team of dedicated members.
During Manufacturing Day, I want to recognize the hard work and commitment of our workforce.